Welcome back to another video with Zer0 Thought Reviews. Today we are going to be showcasing our method of carpet cleaning using our thrifted treasures. This guide will show you how to get your residence holiday season ready for those pesky in-laws. We have found great success in using laundry detergent and fabric softener as a cleaning solution, and we are going to show you how to mix these two into a perfect carpet cleaning concoction. We have lots to do, so let's get started. We're first going to start by discussing our selection of tools for today's festivities. The Miele sweeper was acquired at our local Desert Industries thrift store for a screaming good deal. Next, we decided to use a Gain scent with Febreze additive, as well as a non-scented fabric softener. If you decide to mix both your softener and detergent scent, try it out beforehand, or you may make a strong smelling solution. And finally, our carpet cleaning contraption, the Bissell. We found this at our local Goodwill for $30. To begin, we suggest that you clean your carpets with a sweeper. While you may skip this step, we have gotten better results and less nasty gunk that gets left behind by the carpet cleaner by doing this pre-work. Now is the time to prepare our complete cleaning concoction. We've had success when we have added 1/8 cup of laundry detergent and then 1/8 cup of fabric softener to the cleaning container. Finally, we have 1 gallon of hot water that we add into it and pop the mix into the machine. With your concoction concocted, you are ready to begin seriously scrubbing. We recommend starting with the hand attachment first, so you can get those tough to reach locations early on. Take your spraying device and apply the solution over your desired cleaning area for a few seconds to get the carpet properly moist. Then, slowly move back and forth over your affected spot to lift out the dirt. After you've cleaned those hard-to-reach areas, you'll move on to using the main unit. Power on your machine and move the contraption to the desired location. Push down on your spray lever and make a roughly 5 to 6 foot forward pass at a steady speed. Then, on the recoil, or drying pass, move back at half your forward pass speed to allow for the system to work its magic. In total, we usually do 2 saturation passes, then follow it up with 2 to 3 drying passes to suck up any remaining liquids. When you no longer see large amount of liquid being sucked up into the machine, you can move on to the next section. Once you have successfully applied the solution to the situation, we solemnly suggest that you perform a rinse cycle on your carpet. For this, we usually do 1 spray over the entire carpet area, then do 2 drying passes to pick up any remaining moisture. Just like you wash your clothes, it's best to not leave the detergent linger in your carpet. After those piercingly potent pores, I think it's a good time to end this video. If you enjoyed this carpet cleaning content, drop a like and a comment below. We'd love to hear if you tried our method of scrubbing in your residence. If you're looking for quirky review content that has zero thoughts, hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. Thanks for dropping by. Zer0 out.